Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. Aquarius, today's reading is going to be different, guys. For your daily energies, I'll be picking cards as usual. For your relationship, guys, I'll be picking two cards from a deck. So it is going to be like a pick a card, so you can think about the questions you have in your mind before we start the reading for your relationship and choose the card. So I'll be picking just two cards, guys. One card will be the first choice, and another card, the second card, will be the second choice. So whichever you want to watch, whichever comes to you first, you can choose that card, guys. So let's see what are these cards for your daily energies, Aquarius. It's Six of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles in reverse, and Eight of Swords. So Aquarius, with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe um, in your career or in your personal life, there are people who are depending on you, or you are depending on someone, maybe for their suggestions or for their knowledge, or it may be people depending on you financially today, guys. So you are in an advantageous position, you are helping others, and maybe the way things are proceeding today, guys, Aquarius, maybe you are in a position you cannot avoid these people who are depending on you. So you are finding it really difficult to help them today, maybe some financial help. You are um, feeling restricted, cornered in some ways. So this person is a person that you love, and you have a great truthful concern on them, on their well-being. So you want to help them, but your circumstance may not be good. Um, so you are finding it really difficult to help this person. So stress and worries because of that, and you feel that you are uh, something like you are pushed to a corner, bound and stuck. You feel stuck in some ways today. So you don't have that free hand in the way you are helping. So your circumstance is binding you, and you feel stuck today, guys. That is what I see here. Or maybe it may be something to do in your personal life, in your relationship. So with this person in this relationship, you are unable to make a choice, because this person you have that true love and true concern, and they trust you and they rely on you, and it is really difficult to avoid um, their demands. Maybe they are asking you something, or they are expecting you to help them in some ways. So it is really difficult for you. And I also see that in your situation today, guys, some kind of information, message, or news is coming. For most of you, it may be something worrying news today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius, for your daily energies. So let us see what are the cards for your love situation. So I will keep these cards here. So whatever questions you have in your mind, guys, you can think about it, and I will be picking two cards. So this is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about the questions you have in your situation, whatever needs clarity, and you can choose the card. So this, I will be doing the reading for this card first, then this. So let's start after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, for those who chose this card, let's see what is the card here. 6 of Fire. So for those who have chosen this card, it just means that with this card, the energy for you all is that, guys, you are feeling inspired and you are stepping into a greater glory today. Maybe in this relationship with this person and yourself, you share a beautiful understanding, and your position, your status, and the way you are in general, that is getting a great transformation today. And before this connection, before knowing this person, you were not known, or you were not so known to people. But with this person, in this connection, people are seeing you in a different light today, guys. And this person may be an important person. Maybe they are in a good position, good status. They may be holding an important position in society. So that may be the reason that your reputation is growing today, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is what I see. So with this person in this connection, you are feeling greatly influenced by them, influenced by their character, influenced by the way they are, by the way of their life. So, and also you have a great trust on them, and they have a great trust on you. And they are also helping and supporting you in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card. So let's see what is this card for those who have chosen this card, the second card. Messenger of Earth. So with this card, guys, for those who chose this card, it just means that in this relationship, you are trying really hard, trying to work things, do your best, and you have that dedication and devotion towards this person, towards this connection. You want to make this relationship work. So you have that determination, grit, endurance, whatever is needed to make this connection work, and you are making tremendous efforts, and you love this person, you trust this person, and you are doing your best, whatever is possible for you, till you see that end of that thoroughness is there, and that dedication is there. So it may be a mutual dedication, or mutual love and respect, or dedication and love on your part to make things go in the right way in this connection, guys. So you are trying your best, level best, to bring that deep understanding, love, and balance in this connection. So that is what I see, guys, Aquarius, for your love reading, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment if it resonates. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.